In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a document in Google Docs. Whether you're new to Google Docs or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started to ensure your hard work is safely saved in a format that suits your needs. First, you'll want to open the document in Google Docs that you'd like to save. If you don't already have it open, just head to Google Drive, locate your file, and give it a click. Once your document is open, we're ready to move on. Next, you're going to look towards the top of the screen at the menu bar and click on File. This is where all your essential file operations reside, so it's crucial to know your way around here. When you click File, a drop-down menu will appear, full of various options for managing your document. Now, you're going to take your mouse and move it down a bit in the File menu until you see Download. Hover over this option, and a secondary menu will appear to the side, showing a list of possible file formats you can choose from for saving your document. Take a moment to decide which format is best for what you need. If you're planning to share the document with others who might be using Microsoft Word, choosing the Microsoft Word by DOS-EX option would be the most compatible choice. If you need a fixed layout format that is great for sharing without editing, opt for PDF document. PDF. Alternatively, if you require a simpler text format that can be opened by most word processors, rich text format, RTF, might be your go-to. Once you've decided, go ahead and click on the format of your choice. Your document will begin downloading, and you'll notice a download notification in your browser, typically towards the bottom of your screen, depending on your browser preferences. The file will automatically download to your computer's default location for downloads. This is usually the Downloads folder, but it's a good idea to check your browser settings if you're not sure where that is. Once you have located it, feel free to move it to the desired location for easy access later. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully saved a document from Google Docs, selecting the format that best suits your project. Now you're ready to share it, print it, or further work on it whenever you feel like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next video.